Welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. This is a fast and straightforward method to set it up. In this video, I will show you how to download the Kali Linux OVA image for VirtualBox, how to download and install VirtualBox, how to import the Kali Linux OVA image. Before getting started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Your support will help me reach my first 1,000 subscribers. First of all, visit www.kali.org and follow the instructions to download the Kali Linux OVA image. Now visit www.virtualbox.org and follow the instructions to download the VirtualBox setup. And then download VirtualBox Extension Pack. VirtualBox Extension Pack adds features like USB 3.0 support and disk encryption. Double-click on VirtualBox to install it, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Now, you need to extract the downloaded Kali Linux OVA image using WinRAR. You can download WinRAR from www.win-rar.com if it's not already installed. These two are the extracted files, the important Kali Linux virtual disk image and the configuration file. Now, double-click on the blue file to add the Kali Linux VM to VirtualBox. Within seconds, it will be imported. Now, you will see that the Kali Linux VM has been automatically added. Now, right-click on the VM to make some recommended configurations that will help make your Kali Linux VM run faster. Allocate at least 6 GB of RAM, depending on your host's RAM capacity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the configuration. Once the configuration is complete, it's time to install the VirtualBox extension pack. Double-click on the downloaded VirtualBox extension pack and follow the on-screen instructions. The VirtualBox extension pack is needed to add features like USB 3.0 support, disk encryption, and remote desktop capabilities, enhancing VirtualBox functionality. Now, start the Kali Linux VM. For the login ID and password, enter Kali. Search for display to adjust the resolution. Select the appropriate resolution based on your host PC. If your laptop or display resolution is 1080p, choose the same. Then, open the terminal and type the command display to update the current Kali OS. Follow the instructions to fix any errors that occur during the installation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.